The Clever Crow. Once upon a time in hot summer day, a clever crow named Charlie felt very thirsty. Therefore, he flew here and there in search of water. After some time, he spotted a pot of water in a garden.
When Charlie tried to drink, he saw the water was too low for him to reach.
He thought for a moment, then had a good idea. He picked up pebbles one by one and dropped them into the pot. As he added more pebbles, the water level rose. Soon he quenched his thirst. Moral of the story: with clever thinking, even a small crow can find solutions. It's not just strength that helps. Our minds are powerful tools too. Thank you for watching.
The Mischievous Sheep Lambie. In a green meadow, there lived a mischievous sheep lamb named Lambie. He loved playing tricks on his friends and causing trouble for the shepherd. One day, the shepherd warned Lambie, "Misbehaving is not good and it can lead to trouble." But Lambie didn't listen and continued with his pranks. One afternoon, while playing near a steep hill, Lambie accidentally slipped and found himself in a dangerous situation. He cried for help, and the other sheep rushed to save him. From that day on, Lambie realized the consequences of his mischief and became a well-behaved sheep. He learned that playing pranks wasn't worth risking his safety or hurting others. The moral of the story is mischievous actions can lead to trouble, and being kind and well-behaved is important for everyone's well-being. The brave little ant. In a bustling meadow, a tiny ant named Andy lived with his ant friends. One day, while exploring the forest, he saw a big juicy apple across a gushing stream. The other ants warned him not to go, but Andy was determined. Undeterred, Andy found a leaf and used it as a boat to cross the stream. However, midway the leaf boat started to sink, and he felt scared but remembered his courage. Just then, a wise old frog named Fred hopped nearby. Seeing Andy's bravery, Fred offered help and carried him safely to the other side. Grateful and with a heart full of joy, Andy thanked Fred and took some apples to his friends. The Fred took Andy safely to his friends, and they admired his bravery and teamwork. The moral of the story is that courage and helping others can lead to great rewards. With bravery and friendship, even the tiniest among us can accomplish remarkable things.